Hello friends, welcome to Mom Geeta Steps, a pregnancy-centric channel. Today I am here to provide a comprehensive information on white discharge during pregnancy, its reasons, potential danger signs, precautions to be taken, and how to find out the gender or how to determine the gender prediction based on the white discharge. So let's start our video. So first of all, actually why we get the white discharge during pregnancy, there will be definitely some reasons. So now I'm going to give you 4 reasons why we get the white discharge during pregnancy. The first one is normal physiological changes. Yes, hormonal changes and fluctuation will happen during pregnancy. This will lead to increasing in vaginal discharge. This discharge known as a leukorrhea, which is typically thin, milky white or clear, and helps to maintain the vaginal health by flushing out the bacteria and dead cells. And the second reason is yeast infection. Sometimes the pregnancy hormones can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria in the vagina, which will increase the risk of the yeast infection. White, cottage smell, cheese-like discharge accompanied by itching and irritation may indicate this will leads to yeast infection. So these are the common symptoms of the yeast infection. And the third reason would be a bacterial vaginosis. It is actually a dangerous for a baby and as well as a pregnant also. It is an imbalance of bacteria in the vagina can lead to a bacterial vaginosis, which characterized by a thin grayish white discharge with the fishy odor. Pregnant women are at the high risk for this condition, which may require definitely a medical treatment, which takes up to 15 days of treatment. And the fourth reason will be sexual activity. Increased blood flow to the pelvic area during the pregnancy can lead to a heightened vaginal secretions, particularly after sexual intercourse. There will be an increased blood flow in our pelvic area, so that time we'll get the white discharge, which is typically a clear or white and should not be cause for any concern. So these are the 4 common reasons for getting white discharge during pregnancy. Now we will move to danger signs of white discharge. If you are getting white discharge which is accompanied by these 3 danger signs, so that time you should definitely consult a doctor, which needs immediate medical attention. So that 3 signs are, the first one is you have to check the color and odor. Any significant change in the color or consistency or odor of the vaginal discharge, like if you are getting a yellow, green or foul smelling, and which indicates definitely some kind of infection in the vagina, that time you have to consult a doctor. And the second danger sign is if the white discharge is accompanying with some symptoms like itching, burning sensation, redness, irritation or rashes you may get in that vaginal area, which indicates that yeast infection or some other vaginal infection. That time it requires a medical attention. So if you are getting these symptoms with that white discharge, you have to consult and check with the doctor. And the third danger sign is blood tingle discharge. Yes, the vaginal discharge, if it has any tingling with the blood, particularly if you are having abdominal pain, cramping or contraction, this could be definitely a red signal, a serious complication such as placental abruption, preterm labor. So that time you will need definitely a immediate medical evaluation. So if you are getting any blood tingle discharge with the white discharge, you have to you need a medical support, immediate medical support, because it will cause serious issues. Now let us move to the precautious side. What are the precautions we can take? Why we should get this kind of infections? If you take these 4 steps, you never get this kind of infection. The first one is you have to maintain the good hygiene. Practicing a good hygiene and keeping your vagina clean and dry is very important. So how will you keep it? You have to avoid harsh soaps there, and don't use the douches, because what will happen if you are using this kind of chemicals for the vagina, it will disturb the natural balance of the bacteria in the vagina. So maintain the hygiene and don't use the harsh chemicals there. And the second one is wear a breathable fabrics, because using a tight fitting clothing, what will happen, it will trap the moisture and it will promote the bacterial growth. So always opt for a breathable cotton underwear. And the third one is stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water because it will maintain the vaginal moisture, and it also prevent the dehydration, because if you are getting dehydration, you will get the vaginal dryness and discomfort. So always stay hydrated and drink a lot of water. And the fourth step you can take, that is practice a safe sex. Use condoms to reduce the risk of sexually transmitted infections, which can increase the risk of vaginal infection during pregnancy. So these are the 4 steps you can take to maintain the good hygiene of the vagina, and you will definitely don't get these kind of infections during pregnancy. Next, let us move to the baby's gender. If you are getting a white discharge, is it a boy or a girl? Definitely every pregnant women wanted to know their baby sex. They are very curious about their to know about this baby's gender, but you have to think on it. Vaginal discharge cannot accurately predict the baby's gender, because I already given the reasons of the white discharge. I have given the 4 reasons. These will be the reasons. It may happen for if you have a boy also, if you have a girl also. So you cannot predict gender based on this white discharge. Yes, finally, I can conclude white discharge during pregnancy is often normal. So, it is important for any pregnant mother to be aware of potential danger signs and take some appropriate precautions to maintain the vaginal health. So, additionally, if you have a concern arise regarding vaginal discharge of pregnancy, it is important to consult your doctor for evaluation and guidance, because white discharge during pregnancy, it may be normal, but sometimes it may cause some dangers also. So whenever you are getting a white discharge during pregnancy, always talk to the doctor. I hope I have given the good information, and if you like this video, please click the like button and also share the video if anyone need this information, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.